mathematicians, when we finished up yesterday, we were working on finding the independent or dependent given the value of the other one. Today, we're going to continue on with that, and we're going to be looking at it in a little different way. All right, so we said that f of x is a fancy way to write y, okay? So this looks a little bit different for us, and I want to explain to you how it relates to what we did in the last lesson and how we can take it and have it a little more simplified so it's not like a sentence, it's rather just an expression. So what we're saying here is we want to find the value of the function when x is 4. And so I would put in the value of 4 for x. I'm going to put in the value of 4 for x. So it becomes 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So the value of the function when x is 4 is 8. This is a condensed way to write find the value of the dependent when you know the independent is 4. It's just a condensed way to write it. When I look at letter B, I want to know the value of this function when x is -5. So that means I'm putting -5 in for x. So it's equal to 3 times -5 minus 4. 3 times -5 minus 4. 3 times -5 is -15. Minus 4 is -19. The value of the function when x is -5 is -19. We're taking the value in the parentheses, which represents your input, and putting it in for the input value to find the overall value of the function. Using order of operations, using what we know about adding and subtracting integers, okay? This last one, right here. We're going to find the value of the function when your input, when your x value is 0. So we're going to put 0 in for x. So it becomes 3 times 0 minus 4. 3 times 0 is 0, minus 4 is -4. So the value of the function when x is 0 is going to be -4. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it already, we're out of unit 1, which means you can use a calculator for the remainder of the year. So we don't want the mistakes we make as humans when we're doing computation to get in the way. Excuse me. All right, so I thought with maybe the snow, my allergies would go away, but perhaps not. Not quite yet. Okay, so here's another one. What looks a little bit different is that we have x to the 3rd power. And what that means is we're going to take whatever the value of x is and take it times itself times itself. We're going to use that factor 3 times. So we want to find the value of the function when x is 4. So it becomes 2 times 4 to the 3rd power. 4 to the 3rd power means 4 times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So we have 2 times 64, which is 128. The value of the function when x is 4 is 128. All right, looking at letter B, find the value of the function when x is -5. So it's going to look like 2 times the quantity -5 cubed. -5 cubed, we're going to do the exponent first. -5 times -5 times -5. So -5 times -5 is positive 25. Negative times negative is positive. 5 times 5 is 25. And then 25 times negative 5. Positive times negative is negative. 25 times 5 is 125. So this is negative 125. So 2 times negative 125. Positive times negative is negative. Double 125, we get 250. F of negative 5 is equal to negative 250. Let's look at the last one here. We're going to put 0 in for x. So it's going to be 2 times 0 to the third power. 0 to the third power is 0 times 0 times 0, which is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. So when the input is 0, the output is also 0 in this case. Your practice today is going to involve this. Watch your computation. Please, please, please be patient and then check your answers with the answer key. So you make sure you understand how to do those problems. All right, until next time, we're going to stop the recording. Bye.